What's good, y'all? So let's see here and back in the video. Today we're doing reaction to the Wizards at the Hawks 4-game highlights. And yeah, let's get straight into it.
Trey comes off the screen. Here's DJ. Nice start to another big night, we hope.
Picking up where he left off here, Bob.
This game is tied after the first two makes. Trey goes in deep off the glass.
Didn't work.
Boy, we walked into the arena tonight, Nick, and it was just a little different feeling, a little different energy as Kuzma twists his way for two. 7-5, just the start of things on this Wednesday. Trey in tight. His second basket. And all the way through to the glass, and a Quinn Snyder timeout after the Kuzma bucket. He's on the 22 championship team.
He's an explosive scorer.
Saddiq Bey, corner three, nothing but net. Corner and second chance opportunity now. Poole, quick trigger two, buries it.
He has no conscience. None.
Jalen Johnson. Lost a handle. Trying to move in. Poole's got it. Nice step. High archer off the glass and good.
That's a beautiful hesitation. Tell you what, Washington is not shy.
Murray off the glass.
But you know what? You won't see a tougher shot than that.
Cross-court pass, and there's Bogdanovich. Going in on Kispert. He's got it, and an and one for the Atlanta Stars. Right. Gallinari out there for Washington. Tipped in nicely. Touch for Jalen. Right underneath. A sleeping Kispert. There was Bogey. 25-23 Atlanta. Nice move by Gallo. DeLon Wright gives to Kispert. And he'll drive it in during his time here in Atlanta. Kuzma. Ooh, good looking stroke. Kuzma gives it up. And this one is tipped in by Gallo.
Actually, Jalen Johnson actually tipped it.
To attack at the rim, we've got to be able to slow down their penetration, guys.
Juan Wright connects on the three ball from the sideline.
Unfortunately, it's not going down consistently as a team.
Kuzma turns and stuffs.
Well, you watch the pick and roll where they're either going to switch or try to let.
That time they got the switch and exploited it. Trey working the pick and roll with a Kongwu and dribbled it off his foot. 2-on-1, and they dunk reverse for Kuzma. Here's DeJounte back in. He looks to motor to the line and score.
Nice. Nice.
Elbow right for Hunter.
Oh, it's another guy who gets into that mid-range area. He is deadly.
Saddiq Bey clears. Over to Trey. Hawks down 4. Murray sidesteps his defender. Poole lays it in.
He's just taking upon himself to create something out of nothing.
And a turnover out of the timeout. DJ all the way with a big one-hander. 46 all with 3.5 to go. Second quarter. Hunter, a tough two and a free throw coming. Kuzma, good again.
Really the only bright spot.
51-48. Hunter again. Good hang time. Murray jammed up. They reverse it to Trey. He's into the paint, wraps it around, somehow found Murray for three. Into the paint. Murray jammed up. They reverse it to Trey. He's into the paint, wraps it around, somehow found Murray for three. Wizards push. Kuzma. And a nice find to Tyus Jones.
I play like straight man.
There's nobody's coming out there. You know what? And then no Trey shot that short. You had the help at the rim. There is.
Like they rehearsed it. 59-51. Hunter connects. 3 out of the corner.
Well, let me tell you, Hunter, well, the Hawks, if you cut them off in the paint, they have the ability to have several guys who can knock shots down.
Murray over the top to Trey. Jones trailing him, couldn't stop him, and a foul coming on Washington. Ooh. Saves it. Over to Sadiq. Going up. Capella puts it in, and a foul. Left ankle sprain. Wizards PR tells us questionable to return. 73-58. Trey up and good.
The Barbershop. Cremo Barber Grade is a promise.
Jalen's pass picked off by Kuzma. Ahead of the pack is Poole, and he's going to lob it off the glass for Kuzma. Abdia shovels. Muskie got his body in front of Capella. Good move.
Like I said, you know, Trey, you look at his game, 16 points and 9 assists. It's still a...
Now his 9th NBA season. 4 in Minnesota, 4 in Memphis. Shovels to Kuzma. And a timeout for...
I don't know where he was going.
Good hands by Jalen. Got it off and rolled it in. Batted down. What a steal by Murray. Oh! Massive windmill.
That brought back memories there.
Hawks are fun game.
In the quarter. Gallo against Onyeka. Corkscrews and scores. Still got it. Landry Shaman. Koulibaly from the corner is good. 19-year-old rookie from France. 97-74. Shaman for 3. Oh, that had to feel good. Coming up at the end of the quarter, don't miss our Georgia Natural Gas fast break. We're all going to be involved. Coming up here at the end of the quarter. Shaman, good again.
Minutes here.
Hunter. Semi-double team, and that lets Okongwu drill a 2. Gallo clears to Landry Shaman. He moves in and scores. Trying to lob it inside.
Just not high enough.
Wasn't quite ready. Omoruyi with the dunk.
Change very soon.
Bogey. Oh, my. With a hand in his face. Good looking stroke. Jalen. Nice.
Oh, you see how easy that was? DeJounte got in the lane.
And a pick off by Sadiq. Showtime for Mr. Banks.
Remember that.
Wizards save it. Lob underneath. And Abdi puts it in.
Come behind block.
Hunter. A couple of Virginia guys going at it. Hunter drops it in. Whips it cross court. Abdia from the wing, a 3. Pass deflected. Wizards have it. Davis to the hole and lays it in. And with that, Quinn Snyder will stop the clock.
But where they're really winning this game is second chance points, Bob. They have really done a nice job. 19-5.
Excellent work. Abdia. Abdia. Good again.
And he's come on late.
I want to start trying now.
Hunter. Pass batted down. And on the dunk. Koulibaly makes it 130-121. Atlanta's won 3 straight.
Atlanta's won 3 straight.
Trail
Atlanta's going crazy.
23-10.
And a lot of the Hawks might be dangerous this year. The Hawks looking scary. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and watch my other videos. Peace.